Hello and a very good evening to all of you. Well, as you can see, what can I say? What should I say about this lovely location? You are watching the Pep Talk with your favorite host and trainer, Sudeep Nag. And on this episode, I'm going to talk to you about, surprisingly, a topic which you don't think I will be talking in such a location: productivity. Yes, I'm going to talk about productivity. People who often meet me often say about me that I am a person who is deeply observant, or in other words, I observe things very well. And one thing I always wanted to observe is the productivity of people. And here I'm talking about productivity at workplace. What do I mean by that, really, when I talk about productivity and observing productivity? Well, I would like to say that I tried to be a guinea pig, and experiment a few things on myself. And when I did experiment those few things, I noticed that yes, productivity can be observed and understood through those experiments. So I'm going to share with you a few things that I understood about productivity and what came up from these experiments. First of all, what I did was I used my mobile phone or smartphone or cell phone for 1 hour a day for 1 month. And guess what? Yes, I noticed that my productivity at work went up because I was able to shift my focus and be more creative, and hence I was more productive. So use of my cell phone was minimized to just 1 hour a day for a month, and this experiment which I did on myself proved productivity can be improved by lessening your use of the mobile phone. Point number two, what I understood is about people. I secluded myself from people for 3 months. I went into solitude and I noticed that productivity is hampered. People are important for engagement, for motivating you and improving your productivity. And not always. Some people can demotivate you also. So it does matter. People do play an important role in terms of productivity. Point number three, I tried to do work which I dislike. I noticed my productivity went down. I tried this for 1 month, and next 1 month I tried work that I liked, and I saw that my productivity went up. So when you don't like to do something, your productivity is naturally down, versus when you like to do something, your productivity is up. Point number four, I worked for 12 hours for 7 days at a stretch, and I noticed my overall productivity actually went down because I was stressed out and I didn't like that routine. And point number five is when I did some work which I was not trained in, I did not know how to do, my productivity went down. But when I got myself trained that following week and I did the same job, my productivity was up. So through all these experiments that I did on myself, I proved that productivity can be increased by use of your mobile phone, especially making it less in use. Number two, it can be used by working with people. Number three, do things you like, productivity will increase. Number four, don't work and stress yourself. And now point number five is get trained in that work and productivity will definitely increase. So with all these small tips on productivity and how to improve your productivity and your employees' productivity at your company organization, I hope that you like this beautiful outdoor video on the Pep Talk with me, your friend, mentor and guide and host, Sudeep Nag, Brother Nag and Mr. Nag. Until next time, be well, be safe and have a wonderful day. Keep smiling. Thank you.